What happens when we sneeze? It feels like a mini explosion in our noses. But what's the science behind it? Sneezing is more than just a funny sound. It's your body's way of clearing out irritants. So why does it happen? When you sneeze, your body is expelling air forcefully through your nose and mouth to clear out foreign particles like dust and pollen. Imagine your nose as a filter that, when overwhelmed, needs to let all that junk out in one big puff. The process involves a reflex that starts in the brain, signaling muscles in the chest and abdomen to contract rapidly, pushing air out at speeds over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway.